For a month, I stopped running Instagram adverts. I went back to it and I discovered some shocking things that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. Let's jump right in. I stopped running Instagram adverts for like a month, and the reason is because the adverts stopped converting. You'll be spending the money, the leads and the DM you will get as usual declined, and you have to spend maybe like times 2 times 3 to get people send you a message or people buy your products. This is my personal experience. It can be different from other people. The value in the advert declined drastically. So I went to TikTok and I started selling on TikTok. But this is what I discovered when I tried running Instagram adverts again. I just wanted to do it for one day and see if I'm going to get someone directly from the advert make a purchase that same day. I turned on one of my old adverts that I used to convert very well before Uncle Mark had started sparking, and I discovered that I woke up by midnight, 12 or 1 a.m. and the money has finished, and it was telling me that adverts could not run because payments, as I say, adverts could not run. Okay, I started running this advert 10 a.m. yesterday. I wanted to run for a day. That means it's meant to run from 10 a.m. today till 10 a.m. the next day with my 5,000 naira budget. So why am I waking up at 12 a.m.? Don't even ask why I'm waking up 12 a.m. Don't say if I'm a witch. It's not only witches that wake up at midnight. That was a joke. I think I woke up to pee. I slept very early that day. Yeah, maybe I slept around 9:30 and I woke up to pee midnight around 12:01, and the money had finished. I'm like, now so now they do for a year. From that advert, I got two new people follow me. I got no DM, and I'm in groups. I see other people saying, oh, someone said she put maybe like 50,000 naira to run advert. It was meant to run for 5 days, and by day 2 the money was please let me know if you've experienced this in the comment section. We thank God for TikTok adverts. In the time I stopped running Instagram adverts, I had gone to TikTok to see how their adverts work. I was able to get how it actually worked, implement it, and will sell daily on TikTok with the things I've been able to implement. If you want to start selling on TikTok back to back, send me a DM on my personal Instagram account, Roslyn, and you get my course A to Z on how to sell on TikTok. Everything you need to know about TikTok advert that will give you mind-blowing results. It costs 35,000 naira. Thank you. Now back to our gist. Now it got me worried, like, why is Instagram now taking more money than we put? Now usually if you want to run adverts for a number of days, you can put this budget and you want for that day. Now it's like 12 hours after. I can clearly remember that I started that advert 10 a.m. in the morning. So why am I waking up around 1? I knew I woke up around 12 something, but I can't really remember. Maybe 12:40. That is maybe like 14 hours after, and money is finished. Like there's no money again to run adverts, right? So does it mean that the 5,000 naira ran for just 12 hours? I was just lost. This is not to say that Instagram adverts do not work. It's just to say that what you do with $5 before, you may need $10, $12 to achieve the same goal, which now make it harder for small businesses that are not even selling with a lot of profit. Because let's say I'm selling a product for 40,000 naira, and my profit from that 40,000 naira is 10,000 naira. Now, if I would use 2,000 naira to get one client, right, to leave me with 8,000 naira as my take home from this 8k, there's still staff, there's still data, lights, and all other charges there, but that 8,000 naira would be my gain. If Uncle Mark is not saying you cannot use $2 to find a customer to sell your $40 product, you need to use $6. That means my profit left is say $4, which is not fair on me as a small business owner. And when I noticed that, I just switched off the advert. I didn't recharge again. I went back to my TikTok advert and I started making my TikTok advert to the fullest. Like I can never turn back. Oh, it's already too late. Oh, where am I going to? That was why I was saying to Instagram that you see this TikTok advert, I'm not turning back. I first said let me turn back to look at you, but I don't want to turn to a sort the second time I turn back, because it's like this first turning it's not working. Let me know what you've been doing differently since Instagram adverts started malfunctioning. Please do well to like this video, as it tells the algorithm this is a good content and it helps us push it out to more people like you that need to see this content. And you people know I'm just recovering. Help me. I'm using all my strength to do this video. Just help me, like, comment, share to people that you know that would need it or your story. Thank you for your help. God bless you. Mwah. Shop kiss. Also, this is not to say you cannot sell on Instagram at all. Something blew my mind. I think that was like first week of May. That was 13, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're selling on Instagram very well, and we're not even running adverts. Some said, "Oh, I saw your advert 4 months back. I saved the advert, and I just thought to buy from you today because I told my assistant to ask people where are you seeing us from." You know. So I'm filming this video on the 26th of May. I'm sharing this experience that happened. This experience had happened. I think I tried running that advert maybe 1st of May or last day in April. But I have not been feeling too well. Also came. Hey God, just help me thank God for good health. That I can sit down here to film this video as a testimony. I didn't even know it's going to be this easy for me to even film a video. But I feel like let me start with YouTube videos first, because when I'm on YouTube, I feel like this is home. I feel very comfortable. I just feel like I'm gisting with my friends. It's not something serious for me. So I hope this video is as smooth as my other videos. Help me thank God for good health. I was rushed to the hospital. I think that was maybe 6th of May. Ulcer attack. I was having stomach pain. I was stooling. I was vomiting. I had chest pain. I had different things. I was rushed to the hospital. I collected a lot of drips, injections to stabilize me. I was weak. I had different symptoms. My mom had to come from Ibadan to take care of me. It was a lot. It was a whole lot. I want to thank God for good health, sound mind, and quick recovery. This is the first time I am shooting a video for my YouTube in the month of May. I shoot 2 videos every Thursdays. They've been taking care of me. My husband and my mom has been taking care of me, and I want to thank God for the gift of second chance. And I just want to share this with you guys, and just help me thank God in the comment section. Just say thank you, Lord, for the life of Deborah. I think people call me Deborah on YouTube. Thank you, Lord, for the life of Oluwashi. Thank you, Lord, for the life of Roslyn. Yeah. So that is why I'm just sharing this that has happened since me. I thought I was going to, film that week. Now, before I tried to run that advert, why did I try again? Because my plan was I was going to go on a leave for like 3 to 6 months running Instagram adverts. But that week before then, almost every day we were having sales on Instagram. Now I'm not saying inquiry. It's different when people are like, oh, I want this. Like people were saying, it's like people were coming, I want this, and at least one person was paying. There are days that we have 2 sales, 3 sales, and I was not running adverts. I'm like, what's happening on Instagram? What's happening here? It's been a while we have like consistent everyday sales and that much of inquiry on Instagram. So I'm like, So somewhere like, oh, we just search for maybe jewelry box or customized item, and Instagram recommended you. Somewhere like, okay, I tried looking at hashtag and I saw you, somewhere like, oh, I'd been following you for a while, maybe from advert or somehow. I just thought to patronize now. So I'm like, okay, it's like Uncle Mark is merciful. That means I even showing our content to, people that have been following us for a while. Let's put some money into advert. That was what prompted me to run advert at that time. Like, let's try it out again, And it didn't work primarily at the time. I stopped, and funny enough, before I shot this video, I saw that my sister had made another sale on Instagram. So why am I saying this story? I'm not saying don't post your market on Instagram, don't push on it every day. Me, I'm still posting on Instagram. Oh, I just took a pause on adverts for now, just see what's happening, what we can do better, and all those good stuff. So don't say Deborah say you should go and stop posting on Instagram, close down Instagram, face TikTok, face. It's important to cross post. In fact, when I am done with this my TikTok advert thing, I want to learn how to run Snapchat adverts or another platform, so that I am not relying on just one platform, so I can run adverts on TikTok, one advert on Snapchat, or I've not decided fully. I could also look into another platform, but I'm actively thinking about knowing how to run adverts on another platform and putting it into good use. I hope I'm recording myself. I just have this feeling I'm not recording. Mic is working. I have this video where I shared my experience with running Instagram adverts and TikTok adverts, and reasons and what you should consider when you want to make your choice with which one to run and why. Click here, watch, and enjoy. Thank you for watching. I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.